Say with me.
The first letter is A. A. A is for ant. Ant. Apple. Apple. Airplane. Airplane. The next letter is B. B. B is for ball. Ball. Boots. Boots. Bicycle. Bicycle. Now the letter C. C. C is for car. Car. Crab. Crab. Crocodile. Crocodile. Now the letter D. D. D is for dog. Dog. Dolphin. Dolphin. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Now letter E. E. E is for egg. Egg. Elephant. Elephant. Excavator. Excavator. Starting with the letter F. Frog. Frog. Five. Five. Fire truck. Fire truck. 1, 2, 3. Now the letter G. G is for goose. Giraffe. Giraffe. Girl. Girl. The next letter is H. H. Heart. Heart. Helicopter. Helicopter. Horse. Horse. Time for the letter I. I. Igloo. Igloo. Iguana. Iguana. Time for the letter J. J. J is for jeep. Jeep. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Now the letter K. K. Kayak. Kayak. Kiwi. Kiwi. Key. Key. And now the letter L. L. Leaf. Leaf. Lion. Lion. Oh, lamp. Sweet lamp. Now the letter M. M. M is for monkey. Monkey. Mushroom. Mushroom. Map. Map. Now the letter N. N. N is for nose, nose. Nuts, nuts. Next letter is O, O. O is for octopus, octopus. Onion, onion. Orange, orange. Now the letter P, P. Pizza, pizza day. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Pineapple, pineapple. Time for the letter Q, Q. Queen, queen. Quail, quail. And the fast quad, quad. Time for the letter R, R. Rabbit, rabbit. Rainbow, rainbow. R is for rocket, rocket. Time for the letter S, S. Starfish, starfish. Submarine, submarine. Shark, shark. Now the letter T, T. T is for tree, tree. Turtle, turtle. Tractor, tractor. Now the letter U, U. UFO, UFO. Umbrella, umbrella. Now the letter V, V. Van, van. V is for violin, violin. Volcano, volcano. Now the letter W, W. Wheel, wheel. W is for wave, wave. Window, window. Now the letter X, X. X is in the word box, box. X-ray, X-ray. Fox, fox. Now the letter Y, Y. Yeti, yeti. Yarn, yarn. Y is for yacht, yacht. The last letter is Z, Z. Z is for zip, zip. Zoo, zoo. Z is for zebra, zebra.
ABC, say with me.